Okay, here is a quick video sharing some of the latest fabric packs that I am putting in my Etsy shop for you all. I have lots of wonderful vintage fabrics for you guys, and I know you're going to absolutely love these. So they're various sizes, very generous sizes that I've cut. And the packs, you can pick up these packs and depending on the size that you want. And they're cotton fabrics, they're polyester, they're satins, velvet, some sheer fabrics. Just a beautiful variety for you guys to choose from and make some wonderful things with. This is a beautiful metallic. And then I have some cute little small snippet fabric packs. There's 50 pieces in a pack. So I have a lot of these for you guys to pick up. You can pick up as many as you want. And like I said, the sizes vary per pack. So if you go to the shop, look at the listings that I've just put in there, and you'll be able to see, here's some flannel, really cute flannel. I love this one here. A very nice textured one here. So just so many different varieties and textures that I'm putting together in these packs. And I know that you're going to really enjoy each and every one of them. Just want to go through these quickly so that you can see how nice they are. This is another nice, very thick heavy cotton. This one is too, very textured. This one again, this is a thinner cotton, very like your quilter's cotton. So, and then the polyester. These are perfect for your slow stitching, for your snippet rolls. So they're just a really nice variety to choose from here. I love this one here. And each of these packs are going to come with a small add-on gift of buttons. So I didn't put that in the listing yet, but I just wanted to say that for you, and so that you'll be the first to know that that is going to be a surprise gift with your purchase, is a little pack of 20 vintage buttons. And then this is another pack that I just listed in the shop yesterday. Again, a nice variety. These are more neutrals. Warm colors. This is corduroy. So any of you that make stuffed animals, I will be listing this corduroy in a separate listing because it's very hard to find vintage corduroy. And people who make teddy bears or dolls clothing, this was a huge hit when I sold this years ago, and I had it in red, but I had come across this in the brown. And this is a very interesting fabric here. It's very textured, very woven feeling, just as it looks. Here's the, I don't know if this is velvet or velour. So, but one or the other, but it's very, very nice. And then this is another flannel. Isn't this a pretty, beautiful flannel? Absolutely gorgeous. So you can pick the neutrals pack. This will also come with a gift, add-on gift of 20 vintage buttons and a nice darker tone colors. And then, so you can, lots of goodies I'm adding. Some junk journal, paper ephemera kits with over 50 pieces. So I just am really trying to add more things into the shop for you to choose from, and I hope that you will share my shop and continue to come back. And these are all at great prices. These are right now, they're $5, but they're on sale. I have everything on sale in the shop for the rest of the year, so they're only $3.75 for 50 already pre-cut pieces of fabric. They're 2 inches, squares, triangles, odd shapes. So that saves you right there of having to cut them. And the fact that these are already pre-cut for you as well, that saves you a lot of time. And so I'm trying to add as much to the shop to help you save your time. And these are perfect sizes for using for junk journal covers. I think those would be great for even small pillows. That would be great for those as well. So many nice gift ideas that you can make with these in this fabric. So stay tuned, be on the lookout. I would really appreciate if you could come to my shop and favorite the listings. That really helps me as well. Share them on your social media. That helps me. And the share buttons are right there in my Etsy shop, or you can just copy the link and share that on your Instagram, wherever you are in Facebook groups, wherever they allow that. Then that would really help me out, and I would really appreciate that so much. And I guess that's about it. I have some other things in the works that once I get it all together, then I'll be able to share that with you. So stay safe, keep creating the sunshine, and I look forward to seeing you in my Etsy shop soon. Bye-bye.